Hey beautiful people, it's Rickita and I'm back with another video. So in this video, I want to tell you guys about over 30 different companies that will allow you to work from home, and some with no experience at all, and also some where you may have to go out, some where you don't have to even talk to anybody. You can just go ahead and do your work on your own. But I want to talk about these jobs because a lot of people talk about how they have so much debt, how they can't pay it. Some people are saving up so that they can have more money for their down payment. So I thought I'll just come and show you guys these different jobs. Now, I don't want to go into great details about these jobs. I want you guys to do your full research. I may say a little bit about these companies, but please do your own research. See what they're going to require from you, because a lot of times these things change, and depending on what you're doing with this company, it may be different. So go ahead and do more research. It may be more than what I say too. So go ahead and say, hey, what does this consist of? Check out the websites. But go ahead, take note of all the different websites I'm going to tell you guys about, all the different companies, and then reach out to the ones that seem like is intriguing to you, or do further research on each of the companies. Now, if you guys want me to do a review on each of these companies, definitely let me know. But it's over 30 of them. I just want you guys to have like option, like, oh, okay, this won't work, that will work, or this not me for me, that's not for me. I don't want to go over and do a long video. I want to keep the video under 10 minutes. Like, I don't want it to be a very, very long video. But I'm already talking too much. Let's go ahead and check out these I often say credit cards. Check out these different jobs. Oh my gosh, I say credit cards so much, you guys. I just want to say credit cards now. So here is the different jobs here, you guys. So the first one is going to be working solutions, you guys. Now, when you go and try to apply for these jobs, make sure that you contact them, see exactly what jobs they have available, how soon can you start, what they're going to be able to pay you. Some of these jobs may be able to start you out right away. Some of them is going to require that you have some type of experience. Some of them, they're going to require you to be on the phone, but you can talk to them, try to see if they have any positions that's good for you and that will work for you. So they've been around for over 25 years. So go ahead and check them out and see if this is something that you guys will like. Now, the next company I want to talk to you guys about is Live Exchange. Now, this is going to be a work at home job. So if you guys like, if you're a mom, you want to be stay at home, then this will be a great one for you. You can see too, they are trusted with great brands: Pizza Hut, L'Oreal, Rogers, KFC, the CDC, LifeWorks. So definitely go ahead and see exactly what jobs they have available for you. Like I said too, this is good for those work at home moms. So they have live chat, email support, outbound calls, inbound calls. They have a lot of different things. So go ahead and click right here to find the gig that's perfect for you. Now, the next one is the Playtest Cloud. If you guys like to play a game, this may be for you. Like, if you like just love playing games, you want to test out these different games, then this one could be a great one for you. Definitely sign up, see what they're about, see if this is something that you want to go ahead and do. I don't like to pressure people like they paying $30 per hour and now you want to get the job and now you miserable. So go ahead and get greater details first, see if it's intriguing to you, and then get greater details and go ahead and apply for the job. But this one right here is going to be really for those people that like to play games. If you like to play games, then this is for you, because you're going to be testing games. The next company is User Testing. Now, this right here is for when you're going to be testing different things. So if this is something that you like, then this may be for you. But go ahead and see what jobs they have available. See exactly what you're going to have to test, and after you see that and you like it, go ahead and apply for it. But this is an option for you. Now, the next one I want to talk to you guys is American Express. Now, American Express, I always talk about their credit cards, but they're hiring for a customer service associate. So this may be something that's really good for you. This may be something that you really like. So if you like it, go ahead and apply for it. They also have Home Depot, and they have so many, like the Toho Water Authority. That's just kind of like the area that I'm in, you guys. It's probably why they're showing me that, but it's so many different jobs. So try to see if you can find one that you like, but you can always work for American Express. That's a great one. Arise is a great company that you guys can look into applying for, but see exactly what jobs they have available. If it's something that you like, go ahead and apply for it. If you can see at the top, they have something right here. It says careers. Go ahead and click right there and see exactly what they have available. But my computer is kind of slow, so it's taking a longer time to load. So definitely see exactly what they have available and then go ahead and apply for whatever job they have available if you like them. Strappy, this is a great company. Make sure you spell it with an I. I at first spelled it with a Y, but this can be a great company for you guys. They're said that they're hiring, so definitely see what jobs they have available. But this is more for those people that's very techy. If you're into like tech, this can be something that can be very, very great for you. But if you guys are not into like technology, coding, things like that, don't even mess with them. Go to the next one, which is going to be Boldly. So this can be a great job for you guys. If you guys definitely want to make sure that you're staying at home, they have open positions here. So they got the executive assistant. If you guys are bilingual and you speak French, this may be a great job for you, the bilingual executive assistant. So definitely look into what that job consists of and go ahead and apply for it. Now, the next one I want to talk to you guys about is the Activist Connect. So definitely look into it, learn more about it, see if this can be a great company for you. If you guys speak more than one language, this can be something that could really be great for you. If you don't just speak one language like me, I need to learn another language, but this can be something great for you guys. So definitely go ahead and apply for it. The next one is a place that I always go and buy different things, and it's Fiverr. So if you guys are, maybe you guys, you can do your own, you make different things like different logos. They have even AI artists now, WordPress, voiceovers, video explainer. They have a lot of different things that you guys, if you're self-employed and you're very creative, where you guys can make money on Fiverr. So definitely check them out. Another one, even if you guys are international, another great one is Upwork. They have jobs around the whole world. So it's located in over 180 countries. I've used Upwork, so I definitely can tell you guys that this is a great company. They're going to be able to rate you as an employee and also rate the employer. So definitely check out Upwork. It can be something great for you. It's a lot of different jobs on here that you guys can apply for, depending on what's your skills and what you like to do. So definitely check that out. Now, they have different things, like if you're willing to be a bookkeeper, an accountant, senior accountant, legal support. They have a lot of different things, jobs that you guys can definitely apply for, even a paralegal position. So go ahead and apply for the different jobs depending on whatever experience that you have, and good luck on the approval. Now, the next one is Gig Guru. So if you guys, have any type of expertise, then go ahead and apply for a job with Gig Guru. So you can work from anywhere. That is really good. Their hub office is in San Francisco. They also have one in Philly. So if you guys are in Philadelphia, then or San Francisco, this can be a great job for you, and maybe you can start having a little bit more community. Or you can just stay working at home where you at. No worry about community. The next one is Upsy. Definitely see if this is a great one for you. Call them, see what type of positions they have available, and just see if they can approve you. Not approve you, but they can definitely hire you for a job. Some of these companies are not going to require, any type of like interview. So definitely see if you can actually get a job with them. Now, this one is called Top Tal. It's like Top Talent. I used the Duolingo. I told you guys I need to learn Spanish. I used the Duolingo before, so definitely see if they have anything available. So careers at Top Tal, join our core team. So see what exactly they have available and definitely apply for it. Now, the next one is farmers. Farmers, they have jobs available. Whether you guys are going to have a corporate job, or if you guys are going to, work for an agency, or if you want to own your own agency. A lot of people want to be self-employed. Go ahead and check out farmers and see exactly what jobs they have available. Behance is a next one. It's more like graphic designers, mock-up creator, graphic artist, logo creation. That's like the biggest thing with this one. So again, like if you're already doing Upwork or if you're doing Fiverr, this may be a great one for you. The next one is Amazon. You guys can definitely find a lot of jobs with Amazon. Amazon is hiring for so many different jobs. So definitely check out Amazon and the jobs that they're hiring for. Live ops, this is another great one, you guys. So try to see exactly what jobs they can give you. My computer is moving very, very slow, and that's why I don't want to give you guys like a full review or go and click on a billion things. I want you guys just to hear the name, look at the website, and then check them out if it's something that you may be interested in. If you like any of these companies, definitely, like while I'm scrolling, you can pause, read everything that they're talking about, and then go from there. And they even have employee benefits too, so healthcare, dental, vision, retirement, time off, certain protection. They have insurance, so they have a lot of different things you guys can check out. So definitely check that out. Fitness is another one that you guys may want to check out. No experience is necessary, so definitely check this out and see if it's something great for you. World Travel Holdings, try to see if they have any positions that you may be interested in, and definitely apply for the company. And you can see right here it says work with us. Definitely check it out. Cash App also have different types of jobs available. You can click right here to see all of their jobs that they have available, but you definitely can apply for a Cash App and the different jobs that they have available. This may be something great for you, and you guys will be able to work remotely. 3Play Media is another company, and this is more like where you guys are going to be doing captioning and things like that. So if you guys can hear really good, you can talk really good, this may be a great one for you guys. So definitely check this out, the 3Play Media. This one is nothing. Next one is Upcall. Definitely see what jobs they have available for you. Most likely it's going to be a lot of talking. So see if there's something that's interested to you. Check out their website and see if they have any jobs available. Legal proofs, that's when you guys are going to basically be looking over different things. So you really don't need that much experience, so minimum experience necessary. So go ahead and apply for the company. Cambly is another one. So if you guys are into tutoring, you definitely can sign up for Cambly and do tutoring. You guys are going to get paid. You're going to get paid weekly. You can tutor anytime from anywhere, and then you can make a global impact. So that's really good. Babbel, if you guys are good at speaking multiple languages, this may be a great one for you. The next one is Instacart. I always do Instacart. I'm about to go do a pickup pretty soon with Instacart. So Instacart, you can be a delivery driver if you guys want to be out there. They have customer service reps. They have so many different things that you guys can apply for. So just look into it. For those people that's willing to leave, you also have Lyft. That's a great one. And then you also have Uber. Look into doing Uber. So Lyft, Uber Eats, Uber. Also, the CVS pharmacy have a lot of jobs. So see if the CVS near you have any job openings available that you guys can go ahead and apply for, because it may be a great option for you. Now, I know this video was kind of long and very fast, but go ahead and check out all those different companies. I hope that you guys are able to get approved to work at these companies, get hired at these different companies. If you guys ever have any questions, definitely let me know. Come back and let me know if you guys got hired at these companies, or come back and say, hey, don't worry about them. Don't check out this company. Don't check out that one. It's not the best. It's too much. It's this, it's that, whatever you have to say about it. But definitely come back and let us know. And make sure you guys like this video and subscribe. I know I always talk about credit, but it's a lot of people that need to pay off those credit cards, pay off debts, and you're saving up money. This is a great option for you. So I see you guys in the next video.